What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog video editing on VideoPad. This course definitely is teaching new vloggers on how to edit their videos on NCH Software VideoPad. And today, guys, I'm here to show you picture-in-picture effect. What do I mean by picture-in-picture? Picture-in-picture. It is when like you put a picture on top of your original video. It's kind of similar to what we did previously, but the difference is previously you can add like maybe a video on top as a video as an overlay. As I mentioned, you can add a video as an overlay. Then here appear that thing where it says stripe. So a picture in picture focuses on a picture side. You just want to put a picture on an overlay of your video. So the first thing that we'll do, we'll just come to here. Then we'll come here. Let's select around this area. This is what I would love to screenshot. I'll just come here, and where do I go to screenshot? Go to home, go to snaps, go to full screen. This is what I want first. Go to the second part. This is another thing that I would love to screenshot. Snap full screen. Then I'll have those two pictures. Guys, you already know how to add your pictures on VideoPad, so you can just add your pictures in VideoPad and just do exactly what I will do after adding your pictures on VideoPad. This is the next step that you can do. So we have those two pictures on VideoPad, and you will love those pictures to be on top of it. There are two ways to do it: the easiest way and the hard way. Actually, not the hard way, the easy way and the other way. Let me just say another way. So the easy way, just say going there and just clicking there and adding it as an overlay. After that, you can see it's there on the top. So we can just decrease the image. We can decrease the image. We can just drag it and put it here. This is a picture in picture. So this is a video, and here we have a picture. You can also click put it there straight on the top with this one, that right mark. That means this one I've already added it. Go select that one. You can also edit as an overlay. It will be on top of that of the image that we just made. That means it will be on top of the top. The overlay means it will be on top of another video. So here we do the same thing. We just decrease it, then we just take it and put it on the left side. Guys, this is simply like picture in picture. You can position, like you can make it less like the size you want, but this is normally a picture in picture. This is the easiest way to do it. Let me show you another way to do it. Let me show you another way to do it. Let's click Control Z. Control Z. So how do you do in picture in picture? Just click on that FX and then you go straight to picture in picture. Where is picture in picture? This is picture in picture. So you want it to be on bottom. So this is what will happen. So it depends on which video you want to make, like small or big. If you want, like to say towards okay, I have to push this one upwards to do like the example that I want to do. Okay, so that I can push this one upwards, I have to put this one, then I can push this one downwards. Then I can make this one a little bit long. Let's say like you are talking blah 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 blah, then you want like your video at this section of the video, you want like a picture in picture, then it will just appear like this. The video will be, come on, just start working around. Now it's loading. You see, then your video will be there. You can see like the video is on the corner. You see the video is in the corner, and this is what will appear. So where do we see this? We see a lot of this people who are reacting on the videos. Let's say reacting to the Nasty C music video. This is what they do. Just like they just put the main video on the back.
But let me not explain. What I'm trying to say is don't come for me, okay? I am.
Or the actual music video is just here, then the person is here on top. That is simply like picture in picture. Sometimes you want like rather than your video, this video to be picture in picture. Let's move, let's say back. Okay, let me just move it downwards. So this is a photo, this is a Landoka, this is a video. So I want like the image to be on the picture in picture. I want it to be on the bottom left. Then click there, go to the picture in picture, make it a bottom left, bottom right, bottom left. I want it to be on bottom left so that another image can be on the bottom right. Then go to another image, put it as go straight to the beginning, put it as an overlay, go to it, put it as an overlay, then make it a picture in picture. Just make it a little bit long, make it a picture in picture to the left side, make it a picture in picture in the bottom left side, in the bottom left side. So boom, that is picture in picture, guys. So you'll have this on the left, then you'll have this on the right. I don't think, guys, come on, please don't tell me that you don't understand what I'm saying, please.
Always fight to take care of myself, and sometimes you didn't go to a salon.
Another brand, maybe like a gel she used, and here is a spray that she used. So guys, this is how you do picture in picture, the easiest, but I prefer like the first way. Obviously the first way is the easiest to me. Just drag the image, then you put it straight to your timeline or to your sequence. After putting it on your sequence, then you start decreasing it length. But it depends, guys, like what you prefer. And what I prefer may be not what you prefer, but I did show you like 2 ways to do picture in picture. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you love me to say anything else, or if you like me to cover anything else, please leave that comment. Leave a comment so that I can try to focus on it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Love you all.